Booking your Texas driving test has never been easier, thanks to the updated Texas DPS online appointment system for 2025. Whether you're a first-time driver or retaking your road test, scheduling your appointment online helps you avoid long lines and secure a date that works for you. In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact steps to book your Texas DPS driving test online, so you can focus on preparing for the road ahead. Before booking your driving test, make sure you've completed your license application online through the Texas DPS website. Once done, log in to the Texas DPS online scheduling using your application details. Select driving test, enter your personal information, and choose a nearby location with available date and time slot. Appointment can be scheduled up to 180 days in advance. And that's all you need to schedule your driving test with the Texas DPS online in 2025. With a few quick clicks, you can lock in your appointment and move one step closer to getting your Texas driver's license. If this guide made the process clearer, be sure to check out our other 2025 driving and DMV tutorials to help you stay confident and fully prepared. Safe driving, and good luck on your test.